So typically, if we have column headers here, and we put a record number here, and we label the records here with a name and a department, what I'm saying is when we go here, we would have to enter the number 2. Then when we come here, we enter 3, and so on and so forth. The problem is suppose we want these numbers to automatically appear as we enter the records here and enter a new record here. How do we do that? The solution is to use a formula together with a data table. And here we have a data table already. And so if I were to enter a new record here, and I hit tab, notice automatically the numbering comes in. So this is what we want to achieve. We enter a new record here. Numbering happens again. To do it, let's use the data we have here. So the first thing is list out your headers in your columns. You might have 10 headers, 10 different columns, whatever. Just list it out. Put the cursor in one of the header cells and press Control and P. Right? And then you want to select my table has headers. So we create a data table here. We want to enter the formula here to get that automatic numbering. The formula would be equal to row, and we want this to be the first row, so we're going to click on A1, close bracket. We're going to hit tab to put the cursor in the next cell. So the name here would be whatever we choose. Over here, the second record would be that, and automatically it would enter the record. So as you type a new name here, automatically the numbering would show up here. Yeah. So the formula is critical along with the table. We could use the two to automatically number records. What about custom numbering? Again, we'd have to convert the range to a table. And then we need to enter the formula here. So let's give it a formula here where we want maybe the PO number together with a 3-character short name for the company, followed by maybe a numbering scheme starting from 10,001. So the way how we would do that, we would need to concatenate the fields together. So over here would be equal to open double quote PO dash short name might be ANS dash, and we need to put a double quote here. So basically this will prefix the numbering, and we want to join that by using the ampersand sign. Starting the first purchase order from 10,001. So we enter 10,000, and then we're going to add the row number. So we're going to type row, open bracket, and we're going to click in A1, close bracket, tab. So the supplier name, the department requesting the service, the cost, right? If we move to the second record and enter it here, we're going to put Notice that your record automatically increments by one once you put that second name, and it uses the same formula. That's it, guys. That's how we actually increment records automatically without auto numbering.